Alam naman natin yung gobyerno maraming mga project and yung mga tao lagi nilang sinasabi, especially ngayon na hindi daw nila nararamdaman yung impacts ng mga projects na yon. Ano po ba yung sa tingin nyo is kulang doon sa approach? Ba't ba hindi nafe-feel ng mga tao yung mga projects na yon?
Ko naman masabing nalaman ko ang lahat. But I think, yung sabi ko nga, that investment is a function of governance.
Mm.
Sino bang mag-invest sa isang lugar kung maraming kidnapping at maraming bombings? Who will invest in the community or in your place when the roads are not good, when the source of power is not good, the source of water is not good?
Mm.
Sino bang mag-i-invest sa community na communication ay hindi maganda? So, kung ang product mo ay itlog, doon ka sa lugar na lubak-lubak ang kalsada, breakage ang gawa dyan. Oh. If you talk of good governance, justice system should be good so that investors would not be afraid to come in because if there are problems, the justice system is good. Meron ng batas, di ba? Because we've realized that many of the investments are not coming to us because it's very difficult to invest if you have so many requirements to comply. It is a function of governance. Local government or the government has a major responsibility of letting our people feel that they care for the people.